Welcome back. Let's get to a mad dash with Jim. Let's cover one of the earnings movers this morning. We mentioned Dick's Sporting Goods at the top of the show. Sure. Let's dig in a little bit. I mean, Jim, I'm looking at the fact that they raised their 25 guidance for comparable sales growth to a range of 3.5% to 4%, up from 2 to 3.5%. Why am I seeing the stock down?
It's so interesting you say that, because as soon as the numbers came out, I said, Dick's could be up $7-8. David, it's in the fine print. They bought Foot Locker. Mary Dillon sold it. They absolutely knew what they were getting into because they want to be bigger in shoes. But David, look at this. The Foot Locker business will be down between 1,000 to 1,500 basis points compared to the results in the same period last year. So, in other words, they bought what sounds like a ticking time bomb. Now, I happen to think that Ed Stack and his team will be able to. Lord, Hobart's fantastic. But it's quite a surprise and quite a disappointment. And that's why the stock is down.
Okay.
They'll get it right, David. But Foot Locker is always a tough one. The reason why I like Foot Locker is because shoes really need to be tried on. And that's where you try them on. The reason I disliked it was because I think that it was not upscale enough.
That's a very significant decline, not to state the obvious.
When I saw it, I said, oh, my God, this could be down even more. This could be because it's going to.
Does it have something to do with, though, that period of transition? The deal just closing now.
Maybe they're. Mary Dillon sold them a company where it was very transparent. It was incredibly transparent, and a lot of people didn't like the deal when it came out. This is where it's like, oh my God, I got to get out. Well, it turns out the sellers may have been right, David. Sellers may have been right because today is Kohl's day.
Right.
It is not Dick's day.
All right, well, we're going to have a chance actually to dig into it with Ed Stack, who's going to join us.
He's going to have the reasoning
in the 10 a.m. hour.
He's terrific. What a day.
Yeah.
What a crazy day.
We got a lot more to cover, of course. Don't go anywhere. And don't forget, by the way, you can catch us anytime and anywhere. Listen to and follow the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast. We're back in a minute.